today's video, we're going to be replacing the side windows on my E36 race car. These are the polycarbonate side windows from Hard Motorsports. We're going to be taking the glass out of here and hopefully saving a little bit of weight. Once I get the windows out, I'm going to grab the scale and put these on and compare them to the polycarbonate windows and see how much weight we actually save, and then I'm going to compare that weight to the price of these and really see if it's something that's worthwhile. So let's jump right into it and get these windows out of here. So it looks like the only things we need to take off to remove this is, I think there's a nut here. There's two of them, one here and one down here. So there's two of them here. And then obviously this mount in the back here that pops the window out. We got to take that off. I really think that's it. I'll give that a try and see how that works out. All right, so it looks like these are 10mm. Well, that's forever gone into the body. That just dropped down inside the body here. That wasn't cool. Well, that one I didn't lose. So if you pop this back section out here, we should be able to swing this thing out of the way. Go. Set that down. The spun back here is an 8mm. There we go. So this thing also comes with new hardware. I think what we're going to do is those two 10s that I took off, we're going to be putting bolts through the new window and then just have a nut on the back of them. And then for the back side, I think that's what these are. These hold the window in there by just pulling against the back side of the car. All right, so these guys up here seem to fit pretty well. All right, so I was wondering, I thought there wasn't any holes on here. There's a little bit, you can see where the indent of the hole is. That's where these are gonna go through. I'm just gonna poke that through real quick. There we go. I think this is how this works. Through here. This kind of clamps that right here, I guess. Definitely not going to be the easiest to do on this thing with a cage in it. All right, I got the washer sitting on there. I think I'm going to do the little towel trick. So you might know this trick. If not, I take a little piece of paper towel, put it in the socket, put that in there so she doesn't move. Just push that in there a little bit. And hopefully we can push this in and have it work. All right, so the Allens on this size are a 4. I'll hold this side, just snug these up a little bit. All right, now I get to climb through the cage. Try to get this back one on. All right, I hope I lined this up good. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely need 2 people to hold the back end here and then tighten this from the outside. So once I get someone else to tighten that one off, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna give you an honest review on these. I don't think they're the best. I don't really like the mounting blocks that they have here. I think they're kind of janky. They don't really hold this on too well. And then, like I said, there's a big gap up here on this. These aren't formed ones. I know you can buy ones that are formed like the stock window that fit a lot nicer. Those are glue-in ones. I mean, these are nice because I guess you can remove them pretty easily if you want to. I think I'm going to drill another hole up here and then bring this corner in because it's kind of grabbing air right here. So I don't know, they're decent. I'm gonna go grab the scale, weigh these, and let's see how much of a weight difference they are. Oh, I forgot to mention also, if you are competing in this car, they did have an option when you purchase these windows to get some decals. So now that I got this here, I think this is a little bit too long, my first and last name here. I might just cut this and put my last name on there. See how that looks. There we go. That fits good. Now let's go weigh them and see how much weight we actually saved. All right, so I just went back inside the house and weighed the two different windows. So the first window, the original window, OEM one, weighs 5.6 pounds, and the Hard Motorsports Poly window weighs 1 pound. So we're gonna be saving 4.6 pounds per side. So that's a total of what? 9.2 pounds total, which it's actually more than I thought it was gonna be. So 9.2 pounds. Let me look up the price of these things to see if it's, you know, kind of how much I spent just to get those 9 pounds. All right, I just looked up what I paid for them. They were $269, which is actually more expensive than I thought they were. You can definitely find Poly windows for a lot cheaper than $269 online, but I figured for almost 10 pounds, 200 and something bucks, well, 300 bucks, not too bad. I mean, the quality, like I said, was a little bit iffy, but the weight savings is pretty nice. And that's actually gonna wrap up this video. I'm not gonna show you how to do the other side. It's exactly the same as what I just did on the driver's side. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.